If you're looking to make a move in Boston, Massachusetts, and are only interested in the newest and best in luxury living, this video is for you. We are going to explore the best new construction condos in Boston, recently completed, which are move-in ready today. We will get into what are considered the 8 best developments, looking at unit features, floor plans, amenities, and pricing. This is going to be focused on ultra-luxury condos and not mid-range or lower-level new construction. We will go in order from least to most expensive on a price per square foot basis. If any of these buildings are of interest to you, I have more in-depth videos on each one linked in the description below. Also, feel free to contact me anytime if you have further questions or would like to tour any of these developments. Starting in the South End at 100 Shawmut Avenue or the residences at 100 Shawmut. 100 Shawmut is a full-service, amenity-filled luxury condo building that merges historic charm with contemporary architecture. Construction on this project was completed in early 2022. The building stands at 150 feet and contains 13 total floors with 138 units. 100 Shawmut's design mixes adaptive reuse and new construction, integrating an existing 6-story brick warehouse structure with a contemporary addition to create a 232,000 square foot residential building. Every home at 100 Shawmut features high ceilings and white oak engineered wood floors throughout. The windows are floor to ceiling and showcase views of the surrounding South End neighborhood, Back Bay, and downtown Boston skyline. The residences are in an open concept style to ensure every square foot can be used. The interiors were created with a mixture of whitewood detailing and textural stone, conveying a warm, neutral color palette. Select residences include balconies, and penthouses come with private terraces. Kitchens feature fully integrated Gaggenau, Bosch, and Thermador appliances. Larger units have kitchen islands displaying Miami white style stone counters and extra storage spaces. Bathrooms are expansive with heated white marble floors. Beautiful glass, frameless walk-in showers and standalone soaking tubs are included. Floating double vanities with backlights add a unique touch to the master bathrooms. The primary bedrooms feature great city views from windows that deliver heaps of natural light. These spaces can comfortably fit a king-sized bed, desk, and dresser. Large walk-in closets provide plenty of storage space. Units range from studio to 4-bedroom homes with between 460 and 3,000 square feet. At the time of this recording, 88% of units here have sold with an average sales price of $1.2 million. The amenities at 100 Shawmut include a beautifully appointed lobby featuring a 24-hour concierge and self-park system, a billiards room, a library and great room, gym, children's play area, pet spa, courtyard green space, and a club room with roof terrace. Switching to the theater district is the Parker at 55 LaGrange Street. The Parker is a full-service amenity building with bold architecture and lush interiors inspired by the area's rich history of personal expression. Construction on this project was completed in late 2022. The Parker's rectangular design features an exterior made from corrugated metal and dark charcoal glass, softened by rounded edges creating dynamic interiors. Units include soaring 9-foot ceilings, oversized windows, 5-inch wide oak floorboards, and well-configured layouts which ensure every square foot is usable. The residences all have dramatic floor-to-ceiling windows, allowing natural light to filter in at all hours of the day, which illuminate the elegant wide-plank oak floors. In the kitchen, custom brass triplex pendant lights have a theatrical feel and cast a warm glow on the Calcutta quartz marble-inspired island, matte cabinetry, and marble backsplash. Kitchens are also outfitted with Thermador and Bosch appliances. The bathrooms feature distinctive details such as mink-colored herringbone wall tiles and charcoal-stained wood vanities with matte black plumbing fixtures. Bedrooms are expansive with floor-to-ceiling windows and walk-in closets. Units range from studio to 2-bedroom homes with between 460 and 1,250 square feet. At the time of this recording, 50% of units here have sold with an average sales price of $921,000. The amenities at the Parker are spread across 3 floors and include a billiards room, lounge, bar, movie theater, massive gym, and a roof deck with commanding skyline views. Back in the South End at 380 Harrison Avenue is the Quinn. The Quinn is a full-service amenity building which, similar to 100 Shawmut, has rich toned brick and stone on the lower levels, while the upper floors incorporate expansive stretches of glass curtain wall for a contemporary update. Construction of this development was completed in late 2021. The building stands at 14 stories tall with 101 condo units. The Quinn's design team, Robert A. M. Stern Architects, wanted to merge the South End's history and Victorian architecture with modern design. The luxury units are fitted with custom oak cabinetry and polished Calcutta stone. Oak floors and gas-burning fireplaces give a warm feeling to the airy, modern rooms. Floor-to-ceiling windows provide excellent back bay and skyline views, along with bringing in heaps of natural light. Units are appointed with Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances, built-in Thermador wine coolers in the kitchens, and marble bathrooms built out with the finest and highest quality materials. Units range from 1 to 4 bedroom homes with between 765 and 2,700 square feet. At the time of this recording, 68% of units here have sold, with an average sales price of $1.9 million. The Quinn offers a suite of amenities and services that help save residents time, including a 24/7 concierge offering everything from personal errands to private event coordination. The spaces include a billiards room, a library, a work lounge, private dining room, and a unique 8,000 square foot gym, which features a rock climbing wall, a squash court, a sauna, and an indoor pool. Really quick, my name is Charlie Smith. I'm a real estate advisor in Boston, and I help people from all over buy, lease, or invest in the city. If you have any questions about Boston or real estate in general, you can find my contact information in the description of this video. Next, in between Boston's financial district and waterfront neighborhood is the Sudbury at 110 Sudbury Street. The Sudbury stands at 480 feet with 45 total stories, making it the 5th tallest residential building in Boston. This building stands out not just by its height, but its design as well. The elegant and unique pinstripe design of the tower offers a beautiful new feature to Boston's skyline. This project was completed in 2021 and contains 55 ultra-luxury residences. The Sudbury's units each boast multiple exposures and a stunning panorama of water and city views from every room of each home. Each residence was crafted with careful attention to detail in order to create comfortable and inviting spaces with timeless character. The large windows let in heaps of natural light and of course deliver excellent views, creating a backdrop for the residences. The living rooms contain gas fireplaces and engineered hardwood floors. Select residences contain wet bars as well, setting the tone for a multifunctional space. Appointed with custom Italian Scavellini cabinets, Calista fixtures, and Calcutta quartz countertops, the Sudbury's kitchens are an elegant and functional complement to the adjoining living and dining spaces. The kitchens are outfitted with a full suite of integrated Gaggenau appliances, including fully vented gas cooktops and 18-bottle wine coolers. The primary baths feature Calcutta marble walls, radiant heated marble floors, recessed rubber and medicine cabinets, and quartz-topped custom Scavellini floating vanities. Units range from 2 to 4 bedroom homes with between 1,800 and 4,000 square feet. At the time of this recording, 51% of units here have sold, with an average sales price of $4.7 million. Amenities at the Sudbury are made up of over 25,000 square feet of curated indoor and outdoor space, with no shortage of places to relax, socialize, and work from home. Homeowners enjoy exclusive access to the rooftop garden, clubroom, fitness center, pet spa, children's playroom, sports simulator, conference room, and private function room with chef's kitchen. South of the Sudbury is Winthrop Center in downtown Boston at 240 Devonshire Street. This mixed-use tower stands at 691 feet with a total of 60 floors. It is the newest addition to the downtown Boston skyline and can be seen from all over with a very distinct and sleek look. This glass tower is the 4th tallest building in Boston and the 2nd tallest residential building. This project was just completed in 2023 and features 317 total homes. The residences at Winthrop Center are modern, efficient, and highly functional. The open concept floor plans maximize space and ensure every square foot can be put to use. Sustainably sourced engineered wood floors and electric fireplaces are in every residence. There are unique chevron windows throughout which maximize views from every angle. Views include panoramic skyline, river, harbor views, and beyond. The living room space is great for relaxing or hosting guests. The chef-rated kitchens are impressive and more efficient than those at any other luxury building. The Wolf induction cooktop uses electric currents to heat pots immediately through advanced magnetic induction. The Sub-Zero built-in refrigerator dramatically extends the life of food while using no more energy than a light bulb. The gourmet kitchen also boasts Italian marble and Studio Becker cabinetry. The bedrooms are beautifully designed, and the primary and secondary bedrooms include generous closet space. The bathrooms are spa-like with Italian marble floors and accent tiles. The waterworks fixtures, Studio Becker cabinetry, and marble-heated floors create a room that's functional and soothing. Units range from 1 to 4 bedroom homes with between 750 and 4,000 square feet. At the time of this recording, 16% of units here have sold with an average sales price of $3.5 million. The services and amenities offered at Winthrop Center are truly unlike any other residential building in Boston. Residents have access to the most complete service package possible. Everything a person would need is on site with over 56,000 square feet of amenity space. There is an expertly trained hospitality staff on site 24/7, including security, concierge, valet, and maintenance. Spaces include a terrace, gym, lap pool, spa, game room, bar, lounge, and a movie theater. Over in Boston's Seaport District is the St. Regis at 150 Seaport Boulevard. This is the newest development in Boston's Seaport District and the first residential-only project from the St. Regis hotel chain. The full-service glass tower was completed in early 2023, standing at 260 feet with 22 stories and a total of 114 condo units. Overlooking Boston Harbor, the St. Regis was designed to look like a ship and appears to twist on its axis with magnificent pleats offering unrivaled views from every residence. The units are modern with smart home technology throughout. The living and dining spaces feature clean lines and contemporary fixtures with panoramic windows and balconies that open to let in natural light and skylines. Many of the units have been fitted with a Swiss-designed Airlux automated sliding windows system that transforms the living room into a dramatic open indoor terrace with the touch of a button. Select residences have walkout terraces or Juliet balconies to enjoy sunrises and sunsets. Engineered wide plank oak floors are present throughout the units. The gourmet kitchen is chef-rated and was carefully designed. The open concept style provides light and space, combining the living room and kitchen to create the perfect space to entertain. The premium appliances include Wolf cooktops and ovens, tall Sub-Zero refrigerators and wine coolers, as well as dishwashers by Cove. Polished countertops are marble with matching backsplashes. Italian custom cabinets are present, tying the whole kitchen together to create a sleek, modern look. The large, spa-inspired bathrooms are outfitted with custom fixtures, radiant heated marble floors, and floor-to-ceiling temperature control. Expansive, frameless walk-in showers and standalone soaking tubs are included within the master bathrooms. The primary bedrooms feature great city and harbor views with a grand walk-in closet. Units range from 1 to 4 bedroom homes with between 900 and 3,000 square feet. At the time of this recording, 44% of units here have sold with an average sales price of $3.8 million. The St. Regis residences offer access to an array of world-class amenities. Owners can benefit from the exceptional services provided by the St. Regis trained staff, along with direct access to over 12,000 square feet of exclusive amenities. Spaces include a private yoga and Pilates studio, a weight room with personal trainers, golf simulator room, heated infinity pool overlooking the Boston Harbor, a grand lounge with bar, as well as a jacuzzi, steam room, sauna, and a spa. Switching to the back bay is Raffles Boston at 430 Stewart Street, directly next to the John Hancock Tower. This project remains one of the most sought-after developments in the U.S., as it is the first ever Raffles in North America, completed in late 2023. The building is 35 stories tall and contains 146 ultra-luxury units. The sleek rectangular glass building has a 5-star hotel on the lower levels and residences which begin on the 16th floor. Unit finishes are elegant and top of the line, starting with a unique dark-stained walnut entry door with electronic keys and old-fashioned door knockers. Floor-to-ceiling windows in the living rooms give city and harbor views, with ceiling heights reaching up to 10 feet. Standard kitchen finishes include tan-colored European ash cabinetry, gray-flecked ivory Calcutta marble with top-of-the-line appliances. 3/4-inch engineered wood flooring ensures structural stability and a more natural feel. The marble-clad bathrooms have separate frameless glass showers, egg tubs, and double vanities. Units range from studio to 4-bedroom homes with between 500 and 4,000 square feet. At the time of this recording, 70% of units here have sold with an average sales price of $4 million. Services and amenities are like no other building in Boston and include a 24-hour concierge, doorman and security, valet or self-parking, as well as a butler service. In terms of spaces, there is a spa with an indoor pool, gym, library, rooftop garden terrace, resident lounge, as well as 5 food and beverage venues on site and a 2-story sky lobby overlooking Copley Square. Also in the back bay at number 1, the most expensive new construction condo building in Boston is the Four Seasons 1 Dalton at 1 Dalton Street. 1 Dalton is the tallest residential building in Boston at 742 feet with 61 floors and 160 residential units. The building is home to the Four Seasons Hotel on the lower levels. It has become an iconic landmark on the Boston skyline with a rare and distinctive triangular frame. Its prominent stature and world-class design have garnered international recognition and publications since its completion in 2019. Units at 1 Dalton offer an exceptional living experience with a range of luxurious features. Filled with natural light from floor-to-ceiling windows, these residences provide breathtaking, panoramic views of the city's captivating landscape, including the Charles River and Boston Harbor. The generous layouts of each residence were expertly crafted, ensuring spacious and sophisticated living areas. The residences boast soaring ceilings reaching up to 11 feet high, creating an open and airy feeling. The 5-inch wide, engineered American walnut plank floors provide a touch of elegance, while the Empire Boulevard natural gas fireplace adds a cozy and luxurious element to the living spaces. Kitchens feature vented gas cooking, Sub-Zero Wolf appliances, marble backsplash, and an island with a breakfast bar finished in custom marble. Bathrooms all include customized finishes and heated marble floors imported from Greece. Units range from studio to 5-bedroom homes with between 460 and 7,000 square feet. At the time of this recording, 90% of units here have sold with an average sales price of $6.3 million. The Four Seasons 1 Dalton private residences offer access to an array of world-class amenities. At 1 Dalton, Four Seasons manages both the hotel and private residences with 24-hour security, doorman, concierge, in-residence dining, housekeeping, pet care, valet, dry cleaning, and laundry services. Owners can benefit from the exceptional services provided by the Four Seasons, along with direct access to over 20,000 square feet of exclusive amenities. Spaces include a private yoga and Pilates studio, a large gym, 65-foot indoor pool, golf simulator room, private theater, family activity center, pet washing station, business center, and a full spa. Overall, these 8 new construction buildings represent the best and full-service luxury living in Boston, Massachusetts. These homes are completed and ready to be enjoyed. If you have any questions about the properties mentioned, Boston, or real estate in general, you can contact me anytime. I am always happy to help and love working with people who find me through my YouTube channel. Whether you already live in Boston or are relocating here for school or work, I'm ready to assist with your unique needs and situation. Check the description to book a meeting, email or call me, and stay tuned for more videos on Boston real estate and luxury condo buildings.